Hello everyone, ever wondered how your beliefs shape your reality? It's a fascinating idea, right? Today we're exploring the powerful concept of the law of assumption, a principle that shows how we can reprogram our subconscious mind to achieve our desires. And to bring this to life, we'll dive into a Zen story that perfectly illustrates this. We all have dreams and goals, but sometimes we feel stuck. It often comes down to limiting beliefs, those little voices that say, you can't do that or you're not good enough. These subconscious thoughts hold us back, creating internal conflict between what we want and what we believe is possible. And that conflict? It leads to frustration and feelings of being stuck. So, how do we break free from these chains? Once, in a small village, there was a wise monk. A young man came to him filled with doubts. "Master," he said, "I want to achieve greatness, but I feel trapped by my circumstances." The monk smiled and led him to a garden, pointing at a tiny seed. "This seed has everything it needs to grow into a mighty tree," he explained, "but only if it believes it can. If it assumes it's just a small seed, it will stay that way forever." The young man thought deeply about this and realized that the seed's potential was limitless, just like his own. The young man decided to change his assumptions. He started visualizing himself as a mighty tree, strong and resilient. Every day he practiced affirmations, telling himself, "I am capable of greatness." Slowly things started to shift. He took bold actions, faced challenges head-on, and began to transform his reality. This was his breakthrough moment. He realized that the only thing holding him back was his own mindset. The law of assumption is powerful. When we change our beliefs and reprogram our subconscious mind, we unlock our true potential. We're not limited by our past. We can create a new reality with positive assumptions. Now it's your turn. What assumptions are holding you back? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to learn more about reprogramming your mind, check out another video on my channel. Let's continue this journey of personal growth together.